On July 9, 2012, the Connecticut River Watershed Council contacted the state of Vermont about the possibility of removing an old dam on the Wells River in Groton, Vermont. Like all dams, the Franconia Paper Mill Dam was blocking the river's flow and ability to move sediment and debris downstream. In addition to increasing flood hazards, this old dam was a public safety and recreation hazard. The concrete structure and 4-foot drop were a major obstacle to native brook trout and other fish and wildlife. The Watershed Council received permission to pursue the dam removal project, started fundraising and grant writing, hired an engineering firm, secured the necessary state and federal permits, hired a contractor, and exactly 2 years later, the old Franconia Paper Mill Dam was being removed. After 1 week and 60 truckloads totaling 600 tons of sediment, concrete, and debris, the Wells River was flowing unimpeded through this area for the first time in over 100 years. Now the trout can swim upstream to spawn, and people can enjoy this stretch of river safely. The Connecticut River Watershed Council thanks all of our funders and partners on this project, including the New Hampshire Charitable Foundation and TransCanada, American Rivers and Keurig Green Mountain Coffee, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the State of Vermont, Trout Unlimited, Patagonia, the Vermont Dam Task Force, the Town of Groton, Malone and McBroom, Chief Bogey Crushing and Excavation, individual Watershed Council members and donors, and all the neighbors in Groton.